Okay, I know you've seen a lot of fluff on the internet and it's probably turned you off from videos like this, but I'm telling you, you may want to put down whatever you're doing and pay attention. If you get this, you will be able to learn how to earn money every single day in the stock market. Learning this will allow you to leave that job. Learning this will give you more security. Learning this will allow you to spend more time with your family. Learning this could help you save for that vacation much quicker. Learning this can put your kids through college. Okay, let's just get into it. But before we do that, one thing I need you to do, just hit the subscribe button. That's all I'm asking. I'm on a mission to get to 1,000 subscribers so that I can get this message out to as many people as possible. All right? Appreciate you guys. Now let's get into the video. Take notes.
I'm ready to give you a strategy that I think is going to, just change your life, right? It's changed my life. It's something that's very simple, right? There's so many different strategies that you can use to, really start making money on a consistent basis, really start making an income on a consistent basis, really be able to replace whatever income you have right now, right? So I'm gonna just get right into it. It's the 15-minute opening candle strategy, okay? This opening candle strategy is something that just measures a range, which is the top and the bottom of the 15-minute candle. And once you get that, you get an idea of when the stock is going to start making a strong move, right? 15 minutes is enough time for that candle to form a direction in the market, at least for the short term, right? We can't predict where the market's going to go for the whole day. So don't try to do that and lose your money. But we can go and snag about 10 to 15% on a consistent basis by following this, okay? So I'm going to show you really quickly what I'm talking about. All right, let's take Tuesday, for example. Tuesday this week, or last week probably when you guys see this video, we're going to go to 9:30, right? That's when the market opens. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this horizontal line tool and we're going to come to right here, right here, which was Tuesday, 9:30 at market open. So let's just act like the market is opening right now. Ding, 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 ding. All right, boom. We got it. We're going to raise that up a little bit because we want to make sure we get it right there. Okay. That's the highest point of the first 15-minute candle. Okay, so you're going to be looking at this on a 15-minute time frame. Then you want to go back and get that horizontal line tool, and then you want to draw it right at that low, right? The low of the 15-minute candle. Okay, so now we have this range. So what we're looking for is the candle that is going to break out of that range, and then we're going to do our thing. Okay, so the second candle, as you can see, it doesn't break out the range. It creates a hammer, looking like it's very bullish. Came down here, it tapped, the bottom or the low like the previous candle. And then it took it up here to its highs and it closed right here above where it opened right there, right? So it's like, okay, we see it's getting kind of bullish, but we don't want to make any moves too soon because it's when you think too soon that you wind up losing your money quickly, okay? You want to make sure that these things are not just kind of like oh, it looks like it may go there, but something that is like confirmed. And I'm going to show you what I mean in a second. All right, I'm not going to leave you hanging. Candle breaks through and then it makes a high right there, but it closes right here. All right, this is a really, really strong candle, and it looks like it's closing above the top of that range that we drew earlier, right? So what am I going to do? I'm going to wait until that next candle opens right here, and I'm going to enter. So if you would have taken an entry right here, which is confirming, right? We let that candle close. That's our confirmation. We take the next candle, and then you see what it does. It goes all the way up here. You would have easily got your 10 to 15%. If you were a little bit more patient or you had multiple contracts, you could have left a runner and took it as far as up here within that same day, okay? Now, and I'm going to show you that this is not fluke. So let's just travel on to to another day, okay? Let's travel on down to another day. Let's do Thursday, okay? Let's try it out. Thursday, where are we at? All right, Thursday we're gonna draw that in. So I'm gonna grab this horizontal line. Thursday was right here. Okay, that's the high. Let's take it up a little bit because we like to be precise. So right there. All right, we're gonna grab another line, another horizontal line, and bring it down to, oh, what do you know? It's a line that was already drawn for a couple of days ago, 15. So we don't even have to draw another line there. This is also the line, right? All right. So this is the line. Okay, we see this next candle went up and tested it. Came down, made a low down there. Did not pass the test of cracking through the range. Okay, the third candle. So this is now, okay, since we're doing 15-minute increments, it's 15 minutes, 30 minutes, and then 45 minutes. So after 45 minutes, we got us a confirmation. We got us a green candle that closed above the range. Again, this works in both directions, but this just so happened that these two examples that I'm showing you are breaking out to the upside. So what you would do is just allow that candle to close, and then the next candle that opens, you would then enter it for a call, which is you're betting that it's going to go up. You enter right here and you ride that baby up right there. That's at least 20% that you would have gotten from that move right there, right? So again, this is not to try to get a 50 to 80, 100% banger, even though those opportunities do present themselves in the market. I'm just trying to give you something that you can consistently implement on a daily basis to replace your income. And I'm gonna show you how it works, right? We are doing leverage, right? We got to start thinking in the mindset of leverage, right? Not going to work and working a job and then getting paid for it. There's no harm in that, right? I'm never knocking a job. If you got to go get your money, right? But when you get your money, you go and leverage that money. You go and figure out a way that you can consistently make a percentage off of the money you invested. So let's just say you invested $2,000. If you can go and get 10% off of that $2,000 every day, that is $200. That's putting you in the $50,000 club annually, passively by trading stocks and options, right? That's brilliant. So when you start understanding that, okay, $2,000 can get me $200 a day by just earning 10%, and you start doing that on a consistent basis, then you're like, you know what? Maybe I need to go get $400. Maybe I can go and start getting $1,000. You get $1,000 a day. Now you're making over $20,000 a month. Oh yeah, now you creeping into the 1%er club with those high income earners that can start acquiring assets and building your wealth in your life the way that you want to do. This is something I've done. This is something my boys have done. My clients have done. We've tripled, quadrupled accounts by simply following this strategy right here. Is something that is like I said, it's a very easy thing that somebody who doesn't even have a ton of experience can do. And like, I don't want to keep talking, right? Get this strategy down, put it in your memory bank, and I'm out of here, okay? Stay tuned for the next one. We're going to continue to put trainings like this, into this part of the channel. Again, we are trying to get you to make consistent income. If you want to replace your income or just add an additional income, this is a way to do it. All right. Like I said, we got plenty of strategies, in the knapsack. We're going to start slowly getting them out there to you. Appreciate you joining. Let's get this money. Peace.